Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 7th of April 2021 and currently time is 9:50 AM. So coming on to our today's trade, traders, I have taken a trade in Titan for the buying side, and here you can see the trade is going on. Okay traders, so this is a target and here is a stop loss. So after taking the trade, price is showing some downside momentum, but it's okay, we have set a stop loss, so we will wait. Okay traders, so till then let me explain you the setup which I am using in this trade. Okay traders, so what we did, first we went on to the chart of Nifty. Okay traders, so what we can see here, that from the morning it was in the uptrend. Okay traders, so what I did, I made a trend line from here and you can see this. Okay, after making this trend line, I went on to the side of NSE. Okay traders, from there I picked the Titan which is in the top gainer. Okay traders, so now I came on to the chart of Titan and here also I made a trend line, you can see here. So when the stock and Nifty both gave the breakout of this trend line, you can see Nifty gave the breakout and gone upside, very good. But in Titan it gave the breakout but a good momentum for the upside, here it is not showing. So there is no problem, we have taken the trade after its breakout and we decided our stop loss by the swing low. So our stop loss is some points below this swing low. Okay traders, so this is our stop loss and how we decided our target. So our target is the next resistance, so I have made the next resistance by this horizontal line. Okay traders, so the trade is still going on and our target and stop loss both has been set, so we will wait for the price to perform. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video and when it will hit our target I will update you. Okay traders, so here you can see that our stop loss has been triggered. Okay traders, so the mistake which I think I made is that the trend line is not so good. You can see the slope of it is very steep. So from now on we will make sure that the trend line is good and it's totally fine. We made a loss, a small loss, so let me show you the terminal on which I trade. Okay, so here it is. So our today's total loss is 35.60 paise. Okay traders, so totally fine, no problem. Very small loss, we are following our money management and it is a part of trading. So traders, this was our today's trading video. I hope you learned something from it and enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.